5 minutes. Heavy braking. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm joined with the one and only Matti. Get a hit marker in there, bro. Yeah, that's a double. Today, guys, we are going to be going. I don't really want to spoil it, but
pick up some new wheels, baby. We're going to be going to pick up some brand new wheels, or the cringe way, what people say they like, going to pick up some new shoes.
There's so many noises wrong with this car. Like, give it a rev for the boys. Oi! Guys, we're going to be there in 4 minutes' time. We are going to test. We're test fitting. Not 3 minutes.
The seller has absolutely no clue whether they're 5x112 or 5x100. Let's hope they're 5x100 so we can fit them on this
dead width. No, not dead width. We can fit this on this beast, the project car.
The beast. Double T, then beast.
Yeah, because TT. Cringe. If you do like these wheels as well, if they do fit, we have got no idea yet. If you guys do like these wheels, make sure you drop a like on the video. If you like the wheels, if you don't like the wheels, still hit a like anyway, because you know.
Oh.
Guys, if you want to see more videos like this, like I said, we like bringing these type of videos because normally we won't bring this to YouTube, but
send it that.
Just gotta send it. You guys, this is content.
Oh, look to the destination, baby. Woo!
The destination. Just
let's go, baby. Woo!
What?
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Mate, they look so nice on the. I really hope these fit.
I really hope they fit. They look a bit wider. I'm not gonna lie to you. No, I'll get it jacked up.
Just get one in. Get one in. Just get one in.
It should be right on that. That's a big ball on that. The second question is, because I haven't put these adapters on, are they spacers or are they adapters?
They're spacers.
Are we sure?
Yeah, 100%.
Because you can get adapters from 100 to 5.
Yeah, no, but you'll have one that goes in to the actual hub itself.
Yeah, bolts going there. So, fine. One more.
Can you get anything to line up?
Well, I can get them to line up, but it's not the bolts we're going. What?
You didn't do it properly. Wait, no, screw that one in a bit more.
I can't. Like, I need you to elastic tape this. It's in middle console.
They fit really nice. All it needs to do is just put the coilovers down a little bit, mate, and they'll fit so nice.
What do you reckon?
I love them, mate.
It's just like
So, there goes Matty, and I've been tasked to put these wheels on, obviously, so when Matty gets back. The things I do for you, bro. go look here. See how that's there?
All right, yeah.
And then you look inside here. See, obviously the bores are a little bit different.
Right. This here.
Got that spigot ring there. Literally just sits in there like that. So now that centre ball there literally sits on there,
oh,
and
cool.
obviously stops the wheel wobble.
Boys,
what do you think of the wheels? Good? Good.
You can get the caps that cover the whole thing, can't you?
The whole thing?
They fit into your...
I don't know.
Yeah, you can. I know you can. Don't know if they'll fit reps though.
These aren't reps. These are just fully legit.
Fully legit.
Fully legit. $3,500 we pay for these.
Yeah. More than the car.
Guys, when you tighten it, remember, opposites. Opposite motion.
Opposites attract.
Nice meme. Yeah, please do not curve these.
I need to watch out when I'm parking now.
Check out the fitment though. Fitment good.
Yeah, paying. Well, let's have a look.
Oh no.
Well, can we lower it then?
Yeah. It's down too low.
Yeah, unfortunately.
The car's literally too low now and I can't get it up.
12 seconds later.
All 4 wheels on, boys. Were you on the boot? Why? Oh right, okay. Now time to get these home. Yeah, that's right, that's 1, 2, 3, which means I'm gonna have one on my lap. Great. You're gonna be even lower now. Check it. Oh, you hear it scrape now. Oh, that looks nice. Guys, what do you think? I think it looks so nice. Guys, let me know in the comments, what do you think of these wheels? Oh. They are fucking so nice. Just leave it parked there and just get out and have a look. They actually are so nice.
Oh, that is a lot nicer than I thought.
Yeah? I love them. I think it looks so nice. Loads better than your other ones. Guys, if anybody wants to buy some old wheels, I'll put a link in the description for the advert, but damn! Maybe some more loads on the front, and maybe some more loads on the back. Matti, they look sick.
That doesn't even need slamming anymore.
I know. I think they'll settle in. The front needs a little bit pumping up, but... And you scraped as well. Look at that.
Here somewhere. I haven't done it for a bit more.
That's when you dirt nasty low. You know how you can tell when you're happy with the buy? When you take pictures.
I'll take a picture myself.
Go for it.
It's going to be sad to see the car go. I mean the wheels go.
I'm just glad the bucket fit and glad that somebody's going to get some use out of it.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, I can't stop looking at them. Honestly, I can't stop looking at them. I actually look sick. I think some tyre shine on these, mate, and they will look fucking awesome. Yeah. Oh, mate. So, this is literally my view. Yep.
Don't worry, I'll get you a Instagram.
I've got so much shit in my pocket and as well, and it's like ramming it in my fucking crotch, bro. Right, can we go please? Because we've literally got 20 minutes to drive home.
Right, okay.
It's gonna be a fucking long journey, boys.
12 seconds later.
So this is literally like 2 or 3 minutes down the road. We heard a lot of noise kind of coming from what sounded like the front left, this one, like do 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 do. And I was like, bro, there's something wrong. So I said to Matty, makes me laugh, Matty could not hear it at the start. You couldn't hear it, and I could hear it so clearly coming from this side. But yeah, we literally got out. This was tight-ish. That one was literally, with this, I turned it round a whole nother time. I don't even think we fucking tightened this, bro. That's not tight, that's not tight. The back one, just over here, is now tight. What did that start off at?
What?
That one?
What?
20. So at the front as well, they had super low tire pressures, but I'm gonna just test this now just to make sure. Right, let's try again. There you go. Let's hope, boys, this doesn't happen again. I think everything should be okay. They're all actually pumped up to the proper pressures now. They look alright. Like, you've actually got some tyre wall now. You said this before, you had like fucking none. But we're so happy at how this looks. Kind of doesn't do it justice on camera, I don't think, but in real life this looks sick. So next time we're at a show, come and have a look at the car, because look at it. I'm gonna have that tyre on me again, haven't I? Yep, great. Bro, that's not happening. Are we?
Good.
Okay. Okay.
Fuck, is that getting further back?
No, it's not.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah, I think it is getting further. Yeah, it is getting further back. Legit, oh Matty, we need to pull over, like. We need. Oh fuck. Like seriously, we need to pull over. That is legit. Mate, it's like hanging out the boot. He has to leave the door open to be able to get this light on. Shut the door. Ready? And there we go. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know what as well you think about.
It's alright, it's bottom.
That's about fucking scared the shit out of me. Oh yeah.
Get out of this video, damn!
Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh. This has been Matti. These are the old wheels. If you are interested in buying them, the link will be in the description.
20 quid.
Don't say that because you probably will. But people will be like, oh, 20 quid.
Thanks guys for watching.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you show some support by clicking that subscribe button just here. Also click the notification bell just right next to the subscribe button. People should be notified every single time I upload. Boys and girls, thank you very much for your time.
I love you, peace out.
No, wait. I'm Josh. This is Matti.
You've already said that.
The old wheels. And that, boys and girls, our POV. We're out!